Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can back up your camera roll in Snapchat. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write your comments, and let's get into this topic. So, let's say if you want to back up some stories and photos. You are in Snapchat to your gallery, then go to the Snapchat app. Then in the top left corner, click on your profile picture. And now click on the gear at the top. Next, swipe a little bit. Select the Memories option. And now please click Purse. This is this option, which is called Smart Rubber Stamping. If you have it disabled, then you need to activate it. Next, a little bit down already, click on Saved. And you'll need to select Memories and Camera here. Now go back and go to Auto Save your stories to Snapchat. And also select Auto Save in Memories. So friends, this way you will set up Auto Save and camera backups in Snapchat. Really hope, friends, that this video was helpful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.